fraction, we know that the x can't be, sorry, so it would be 2x, and then, so it can't be greater than 1, and it can't be less than, I don't know how I got this, but I got, the way I did it was, because it can't be greater than 1, I put 2, because it says, which cannot be.
Wait, how did you get this?
All right. Okay. So maybe you managed to get this right. Okay. If Brianna.
But I can do the second one.
Okay, but that's you can come. You can do the second one.
I know how I got that one.
So basically, it asks for one value of x, and so 2 of x is here. Anyway, so for this section here, it cannot be 2 like that.
Why not?
2 minus 2 equals 0, and
Bless you.
1 over 0 is a mathematical error. And then, on the other hand,
Bless you.
for this one, it cannot be -1, because -1 plus 1 equals 0, and 0 under 3 is also a mathematical error.
Thank you. So your two options were 2 or -1. Okay. Jamie, back to the second one.
I think I can do this. Okay, for this one, the value of f is f fraction 0. So, 0. So that equals 3 over 1, plus 1 over -2. And then so that, when you put that into the calculator, then it equals 5 over 2, which is 2.5.
Lovely. Thank you. And C.
Can I scroll back?
Yeah, you just use this, darling, on the left-hand side.
Okay, so it says, okay, we have to find the value of x when fx equals 0. So the first thing I did was write out the expression or equation for fx. So that's 3 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x subtract 2. And then I also wrote that equals 0. And then what we have to do next is add the two fractions. But in order to do that, oh my gosh, okay. So in order to do that, you have to find the lowest common denominator. Because it's like the whole thing, like you can't add apples and oranges, if that makes sense. So the quickest way I do that is I just multiply the two, like, I multiply x plus 1 by x minus 2, and I multiply x minus 2 by x plus 1, and you have to do the same to the bottom and the top. So that will be 3 bracket x minus 2 over x plus 1 x minus 2. And then for this one, you do 1 bracket x plus 1 over x minus 2. That makes sense. Yeah. So then what you can do is you can simplify, and you can also combine the fractions since you're adding them. So the next, what you get by doing that is 3x subtract 6 plus x plus 1 over, and the denominator stays the same. So x plus 1, x minus 2, and that would still equal 0. And then you can simplify that even more to 4x minus 5. And you can also expand the brackets in the denominator. So
You actually don't need
you don't have
to.
Yeah, you can, but you don't have to. So I will keep it. And then after that,
Remember that's 2 equals 0.
sorry.
I was going to say remember the equals 0.
Oh yeah. And so after that, you can bring over. Wait. Okay. So after this, you can actually bring. I don't know where I went. So I expanded the denominator, and then.
How would you say? How'd you solve it?
I thought this over and everything. So you have 4x minus 5, and then this is all about rearranging. So since you're dividing by x plus 2, x minus x plus 1, x minus 2, you bring that over and multiply that by this. But anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So you can just do that to C. And then you can rearrange this so you get x 4x equals 0 plus 5, and then
That's right.
oh, and then after that you just do x equals 5 over 4, and that is 1 right, 2, 5.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, go.
Okay. Yeah.
So which one goes into which?
G goes to F. Right.
Mhm.
Okay. You don't want to give me any suggestions.
So we're adding algebraic fractions. So this is last year's stuff. So you're having to remember. So Leonie was giving you some clues just now. When we add any kinds of fractions, what has to be the same?
Oh, it's 1 has to be the same.
Yeah. So at the moment, what's your denominator for your 3? Is that enough?
Got it. Okay. And then, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Okay, wait. No.
Yeah. So what are you changing your denominator to for the 3?
Sorry.
Don't apologize.
You're fine.
So remember what you do to the top, you do to the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So-
yeah. Sorry, you were saying.
So you haven't. Okay. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah. I'm sorry, this is like. Okay.
Okay, well, do you want to go down to here?
Yeah, sorry.
Stop apologizing. You're doing really well. You didn't do this. Stop it!
It's okay.
What are you doing?
It's a VIP.
Huh?
I need photos of
You
it.
got so sweet. Can you do yours?
Oh, well, can we maybe not have that one? Can we perhaps do a different one?
Do I do each one like a pretty one?
What? Yeah, just because I'm in the middle of teaching.
It's coming in.
Can you? You'll have to just recopy it. Sorry.
Yeah, okay. I'm not the question. I think it was like.
Go. Love it? Perfect.
I didn't explain it at all. But
You're in the Mia School of Maths in that you just write it wherever you fancy. It's just, you've got a bit of a circular thing going on there. So we finished up with this as our final answer. So it's great. You did explain it. You had the same denominator. So Sabri's made sure that she's got the same denominator for both. So multiplied top and bottom by the same thing. Joined your numerators and simplified it as a single fraction. Lovely. Okay, so that's your gx. That's what you want to find the inverse of.
And because it's inverse function, you can come around because why not?
Yep. You need to make y the subject, so you need to rearrange it so y is on its own.
So then we'll move this over here. And
Be careful, you need a bracket around the y minus 2. Because remember, you're multiplying the whole thing by y minus 2. That's it. So now you can expand your bracket.
and then we move this because that wants to be by itself.
Yep. Yep. Perfect. Thank you very much. Well done, ladies. These